The DJI Osmo Action5 Pro has a fantastic battery life. I was able to go on 3 45-minute dives and I still had 25% of my battery left. I could only get 2 dives from my GoPro camera before I need to swap batteries. The camera is also waterproof up to 65 feet, whereas the GoPro is only 30 feet. So if you're making shallower dives, you won't need a dive housing. Sometimes dive housings can fog up in humid climates, so if you can leave the housing on the boat, that'd be a nice option. Without the dive housing, the DJI Osmo Action5 Pro provides real-time underwater depth data into the video, which could be a really nice feature if you want to record your dive adventures. I'm Todd Cordy with Oceans Unknown. Let me know what you think in the comments below.